Sir, I am Alexa Mintar from BSIT Toki. I'm gonna show you the official signals of referee.
It is open palm. Is one clenched fist. It is chopped with hand. One finger flag from wrist. Two finger flag from wrist.
3 fingers extended, 1 arm. Cross 4 arms. Open palm, wave towards the body. Form tissue, index finger. Open arms with clenched fist. Seashore-like action with arms. Counting while moving the palm. Thumb up. Rotate hand, extend index finger. Point in direction of play. Thumbs up, then point in direction of play. Rotate fist. Patting motion with palm. Half rotation with palm. Arm extended, show 3 fingers. Show 5 fingers. Show 8 fingers. Fingers touch shoulder. Wave arm front of body. Point to the foot. Hand show number 0. Right hand show number 0. Right hand shows number 1 to 5. Right hand shows number 5. Left hand shows number 1 to 5. Right hand shows clenched fist. First reverse hand show number 1.